What's up guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to reauthenticate Tailscale on Windows. First, right-click the Tailscale icon in your system tray at the bottom right of your screen. From the menu, hover your mouse over your profile to display another drop-down menu and select Log Out. This will disconnect your current session. Next, open Tailscale again, choose the login option, and it will prompt you to sign in on the browser. A second option is to remove the device from your Tailscale admin console. If necessary, you may have to update and reinstall it to avoid complications. Go to your admin console, hover over the three-dot menu of the device you want to remove, click on it, and select Remove. You'll get a confirmation message stating that the device will be removed and reauthentication will be needed to add it again. Now back on the desktop, if Tailscale is running, you'll have to restart it. Close the app and run it again. After reopening it, you'll see that it requires authentication. Choose Login and you'll be redirected to the browser to sign in again. A third option is via the command prompt. In the search bar, find the command prompt, run it as administrator, and type in there tailscale up --force-reauth. Press enter and Tailscale will force a log out in the background, and your browser will open up with a message saying that you've successfully signed in again. And these are ways you can reauthenticate Tailscale on Windows. Thanks for watching.